two people can have a similar injury, but one seems to recover quickly while the other takes much longer.
Why? Is it genetics, age, food, fitness? Or does the body have a hidden repair system that we can actually support? Your body is repairing itself every single day, even when you don't notice it. Today, let's look inside that incredible repair system and discover that modern science and Ayurveda can teach us about helping the body recover. Healing isn't just about closing a wound. Your immune system plays a major role in the repair process. Immune cells help improve damaged tissues and coordinate the next stages of healing. But inflammation needs to be carefully controlled. Too little response can impair healing. Excessive or prolonged inflammation can also interfere with healthy tissue repair. Your body is constantly trying to find the balance. Your body cannot repair tissue from nothing. It needs nutrients. Protein provide amino acids need to build and maintain tissues. Vitamin C is important for collagen production. Zinc contributes to normal immune function and tissue repair. Iron is essential for oxygen transport. So healing isn't simply about waiting. Your body needs the new materials to do the work. What does Ayurveda say? This is where Ayurveda comes especially interesting. Ayurveda describes a concept called Dhatu. It refers to the body's tissues. It teaches that nourishment from food ultimately support the function and maintenance of tissues. Another important concept is Rasayana. Rasayana is traditionally associated with nourishment, rejuvenation, vitality, and supporting healthy aging. Reason number 3, your circulation. Imagine trying to repair a building without delivering construction materials to the workers. Your body faces a similar problem. Blood circulation delivers oxygen and nutrients to tissues while helping transport waste products away. That's one reason movement matters. Your regular physical activities supports cardiovascular health and circulation. Reason number 4, your muscles remember. Here's something fascinating. When you exercise, you are not simply making your muscles stronger. You are giving your body a reason to adapt. After exercise, your body repairs and remodels muscle tissue. With constant training and adequate recovery, muscles can become stronger and more resilient. But recovery is essential. Training without enough recovery can work against your goal. Let's find out an Ayurvedic secret for speed recovery. One traditional Ayurvedic practice is Abhyanga or oil massage. Traditionally, it is used for relaxation, nourishment of the skin, and supporting well-being. Modern research on massage suggests it can help with relaxation and may provide short-term relief from muscle soreness in some situations. But there's one thing important to understand. Massage isn't a replacement for medical treatment or a magical healing technique. And here's the surprising part. Your body doesn't stop repairing when you go to sleep. Sleep supports many processes involved in recovery. During sleep, your body regulates hormones, immune activity, metabolism, and tissue maintenance. That's why constantly sacrificing sleep can determine your ability to recover. Ayurveda calls sleep as nidra and considered one of the major pillars of health. So, why do some people recover faster? There isn't one magical answer. Recovery can depend on age, genetics, nutrients, blood supply, physical fitness, immune function, sleep, and stress, and the type and the severity of the illness itself. Two people may look similar outside, while their body is dealing with completely different circumstances underneath. What do you think help your body to recover the most? Nutrients, sleep, exercise, or relaxation? Tell me in the comments. If you enjoy discovering the hidden science of the human body through modern research and Ayurvedic wisdom, subscribe for more.